Is your thermostat lying to you? Here's how to tell. Your thermostat is the brain of your HVAC system, but just like any other brain, it can sometimes get confused. Here's a few reasons why. One of the issues with your thermostat could simply be bad placement. If your thermostat is in direct sunlight, near a vent, or close to a heat source, it won't read the true temperature of your home. Another issue could be dirty sensors. Dust buildup inside the thermostat can interfere with the temperature's readings. Old or faulty thermostats could also cause you problems, and they're made a little bit differently than some of the new thermostats. The older thermostats typically have a mercury bulb in them, where your newer thermostats are going to be a digital operation. As far as HVAC issues go, sometimes the problem is not your thermostat. Your system could be struggling due to clogged filters, bad insulation, or airflow issues. If you really want to test your thermostat, it's easy. Grab a thermometer, place it nearby, close to the thermostat, and away from any direct vents or sunlight. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. If the temperature is off by more than 3 degrees, your thermostat might be lying to you. So what can you do? Here's some quick fixes. Relocate your thermostat if it's in a bad spot. By moving your thermostat to the correct location, it can make a world of difference for your system's operation and properly sense the temperatures that are truly in your home. If you feel that your thermostat might be a little dirty, take the front cover off, get a little can of dust off, and spray it out with some type of compressed air. Put the cover back on and see if you notice a difference. A common issue we also see with thermostats is simply just weak batteries. The batteries, as they start getting weak, can cause inaccurate readings with the thermostat and sometimes cause the thermostat to malfunction. Another option is simply a digital programmable thermostat, where you can set up a schedule that works best for your household and allow the system to operate automatically. If you have a question about your thermostat that was not answered in this video, please give us a call at Air Dynamics HVAC or visit us at airdynamicscares.com.